Hello everyone, myself Kavya Chandra. I have recently qualified UGC NET-LS December 2023. I would like to thank A.S.S Science Foundation team and special thanks to Dr. Gaurav Sharma sir, Manisha ma'am and Sumit sir for their guidance throughout this journey. A.S.S Science Foundation provides the precise and to the point study material which is more than enough for the preparation. Even though I was not from the environmental science background in my masters, the study material which is provided by the foundation with the previous year questions and selected solutions segregated assignments made it very easy for me to prepare for the exam and help in cracking the exam. And the other good thing is that recorded classes from where we can revise the lectures anywhere anytime we want. Lastly, I would like to thank again the whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation for making our journey of the preparation immensely smooth. Thank you.